In this video, how to use zoom in Camtasia. The first way we can use it from the zoom and pan feature. You'll see a preview of your video with a box around it. Adjust the size of the box by dragging the corners to the area you want to zoom in on. Once you adjust the box, Camtasia will automatically add a zoom keyframe to your timeline. The zoom effect is indicated by a white dot or keyframe on your timeline. You can click and drag this keyframe to control when the zoom starts and ends in your video. To make the zoom transition faster or slower, adjust the duration of the keyframe by stretching or shortening it. To return to the normal view after zooming in, add a scale to fit zoom keyframe to full screen. Alternatively, you can use custom animations from the same Animations tab to create zoom effects. This gives you more control over the movement, such as zooming in while panning to another part of the screen. When panning, you can change the scale to get for focus. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.